another fall haul. This time it's from Joann's, and I got some of my most favorite items from Joann's this year. They just put out the most beautiful fall things when it comes to crafts and home decor, and I cannot wait to show you what I got. So let's go ahead and jump right into the haul, and I hope you have your coffee or your tea and sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay, so first I want to share with you a beautiful box that I got. It's so autumn. It's got the orange and the yellow tones, browns. It's so pretty, and it does have like a little cute purple bow right here. It's really big. This was 50% off or 40%, I can't remember. But I went ahead and got it so I could put some fall decor in here. But let me go ahead and show you what's inside that I picked up. Look at the inside. It's lined with this beautiful print. I'm just in love with this box. So inside here, I put some of my stuff that I got. I got these really cute gingham pumpkins. And I got some gingham pumpkins at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to mix and match because I love that these ones come with orange as well. And I got some more black and white. So I can't wait to decorate with these, and I'm going to be decorating my house tomorrow for fall. Okay, so I also got these flower picks, and I'm super excited about this because I have a little pots in my living room that I switch out the floral picks in, and look what I found. I found these gorgeous mini sunflowers. These are so pretty, and these were 50% off. So I can't remember if they were 50 or 40, you guys. So I did, and then I also got to use a discount coupon, and I think it was like the day everything was 20% off or something, 25. All I know is I got tons of discounts. And these were $5.99 each, but they ended up being way cheaper than that. So I got 3 of those. I kind of wish I would have gotten more, but I've got the little Rae Dunn 3 pots that I put in my living room. So I'm going to decorate with these. And then I got a bunch of these like autumn leaves with like the burnt orange color. And I'm in love with these. So I got a bunch of those. They were a really good price. They're $1.99 regular price, so I ended up getting them for like $1 each, I think. Dollar Tree prices. So I went for it. And they're really nice quality, and I love the green part. Look how real that looks. So these are so pretty. I'm excited to decorate for fall, and just love changing out my little floral pots. And then of course I got a cute little fall bag. Can't pass these up at the register every time I go. So those are my home decor pieces. This is one of my favorite items that I picked up, and it's this cute little box with the orange house and the little truck with the pumpkins. Oh my goodness, can I go visit this little scene right here? I want to live in that orange house and drive that truck. It's really cute. It's got stuff on the sides, and I bought a bunch of ribbon. So I just left it in here. I like showing you all the ribbons at once because isn't that fun? Look how pretty that looks. I cannot wait to use this ribbon. This right here is like a copper embossed leaf. It's so pretty. And look at the inside of the box. It's so cute, isn't it? So that's the ribbon that I got in the cute little box. Let's go ahead and get into the crafty stuff now. Okay, so I went ahead and took the list pads out of there so there's not too bad of a glare, but first off, let me show you these leaves that I bought. These are wood leaves, and they're super beautiful, the vibrant fall colors. I love them. So these were on sale, but they were super pricey to begin with, and I kind of regret getting them because then I found some at Hobby Lobby for way cheaper, but you do get a ton in here, and look at how much they were. They were that, but I think they were 40 or 50% off. That's really kind of expensive, but I am going to get some good use out of them. But I recommend going to Hobby Lobby because they have some for like $4.99 and they're 40% off. So here are the list pads that I got. I'm so excited. They're so cute. The first one is this Happy Halloween. My favorite part about it is the little bullets are stars, and I just think it's so cute. So that one. These were $2.49, but they're 50% off. And then I got the cute little fox and owl one and squirrel, and it's got like this really light purple color, and it's really pretty. So we got that one. Here's another Halloween one. Pick your poison. And the bats are the little bullet points on this one. And then I love this one. This has like a gingham background with a pumpkin cluster down here. And I think it's adorable. So those are the list pads that I picked up. I also got these two super cute note card sets. Look at these. There's a girl owl and a little fox. She has a little flower in her hair. And you get 8 with envelopes and cards. And the envelopes are cute. This one's gingham. And this one is floral. I don't know if you can make that out on here, but there are flowers. So I thought those were really adorable. Some of my favorite items, let me get these out of the way because I have such a bad glare, but I got these really fun orange clothespins, and these are the size of the ones that I used in my video for my craft fair series, and I'll link it below. And you know what you make with these, right? You put those acrylic flowers on here, and these, I'm so glad I found orange ones because now I can make some fall style ones. And then here's the really, really mini ones. So these are the ones I used for that project, and then these are even smaller. Those will be fun for pocket letters and friend mail, and I'm just excited that I found those. So all this stuff is like the Miss Sparkle & Co. collection, and then I got these pretty gems. So I got black, I got these fall multicolor, so pretty. Purple and orange. And these were all $1.99 each, but I think they were all 40 or 50% off. I can't remember the exact percentage off. So these I kind of took out of the plastic so I could show you. These are paper bags, and you get 8 in each package, and they are adorable. So let me show you the 2 designs you get here. Just look at that. Isn't that so pretty? These are my favorite items right here, these paper bags. I think they're so gorgeous. These are my absolute favorites. The floral ones, and they have like the little squiggly gingham. Is that not beautiful? So you get 4 of each. And I loved these ones for Halloween. They had more Halloween ones, but these are my favorite. The Hocus Pocus and then the polka dot. I just think they're so cute. And they also had some really fun tags. So here's the ones that I got. I think they had more kinds. These are the 3 that I chose. And there's multiple tags in each one. So this one has the Boo, the Happy Halloween, and then my favorite, the little jack-o'-lanterns on the picket fence. I thought those were super cute. And then I got these 2. So there's those with the little deer and the owl, and then the little fox. How cute. And it's like watercolor images. I think they're so pretty. And then the raccoon and the fox. So those are like the little woodland ones. And then here are some Halloween ones. I think she is adorable. So you got her, and then you got Hocus Pocus, and the cat, bat, and the spider. So those are the 3 for this one. So I picked up some stamp sets, and these are all by the Miss Sparkle & Company, and they were also on sale. So here's the leaves. I needed some fall and Halloween stamp sets because I really don't have any. And I thought that one was really pretty with the sayings on it. These are for cards. And then there's a Halloween one. And this one, which I do not like at all, but I'm sending it in Happy Mail. It's spider webs, by the way. So you know me and spiders, I do not like them. So then I got some washi tape, and I'm going to go ahead and hold it up like 3 or 4 at a time for you. So first I'll show you all of the fall washi tape that I got. These come in a 2-pack for $2, but they were on sale. And so they're so pretty. Just look at all the designs. I love that brown gingham. And the floral ones are super pretty. So those are the fall ones. And here are the Halloween ones. I like the candy one the best right here. I think it's super cute. So now let's get to the best part, the part we've all been waiting for, of course, the paper pads. And my husband just got home. He was out watching football, and he's home, so I'm sorry if there's background noise. Okay, so here's the paper pads that I got. I was on the hunt this shopping trip for fall and Halloween paper pads because I really wanted to stock up on them. Fall is my favorite time to craft. It's my favorite things to craft with. So I kind of hit the jackpot at Joann. So let me just show you the paper pads that I got, and then I will do a quick flip through of each one. A very quick flip through because I don't want this video to be super long. Okay, so for the 6x6, I got a woodland one. These are the Miss Sparkle and Company little paper pads. And these I'm not going to do a flip through, but I will show you like this. All the prints, and I just think they're so gorgeous. I love the watercolor effect. So I got the, and then I got the autumn one. And here's a quick little flip through. This one's super pretty too. I got pumpkin spice. This is another favorite. Really like that. And then I got 2 Halloween ones. So this one is called Fence. And they're just cute little prints you can do all kinds of stuff with, make cards, albums, do anything. And then this one here is called Haunted House. And this one has a little girl on it that matches those tags. Okay, so now on to the best part, the 12x12 paper pads that I found at Joann's. So I am going to do a quick flip through, but first let me show you the ones I got. I got Pumpkin Spice by DCWV. DCWV is putting out double-sided paper now, which I'm so excited about. So then I got this one. It's called Fall Basics, and it's okay. I don't really know why I thought I needed this. But it's going to work good for like backgrounds and stuff on cards. And then I got this one. I love this one so much. This is by Jen Hadfield, and it's an American Crafts paper pad, and it's called Warm and Cozy. So I can't wait to show you the flip through on that one. And now I have 2 Halloween ones. So the first one is called Halloween Spirit, and it's by DCWV, and it's double-sided, of course. Super cute. I'm gonna make some cute projects with this. Spooky Halloween. It's got the, more variety of bright colors. So I can't wait to show you that one as well. So let's go ahead and do a quick flip through of all of these paper pads. So this one's called Pumpkin Spice, and I'm gonna really flip through it fast, guys, because we've got so many to go through, and I don't want this video to be like an hour long. So let's go ahead and get started. It's double-sided, and there's a bonus sticker sheet at the end. Let's go ahead and flip through. So this one is called Warm and Cozy, and it's by the Jen Hadfield Homemade Collection by American Crafts. So this one's called Halloween Spirit, and I'm excited to show you these pages. This one's called Spooky Halloween. From Joann's is this just pack of craft paper. I ran out when I made my traveler's notebooks, so I had to get another pack. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching this haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can get to Joann's, find these paper pads because they're so adorable, and start making some fall and Halloween goodies. Thanks again for watching. I hope that you're following my craft fair series. I'll link everything below, and I will also go ahead and try to find all these paper pads and link those below as well. Some of them will be in my Amazon storefront, and some will be, I'll just link them to actually to Joann's website if I can find them on there. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.